Hello everyone, welcome to Esmimo Gardens. We are making more spider plants. Chlorophytum comosum, usually called spider plant or common spider plant due to its spider-like look, also known as spider ivy, airplane plant, ribbon plant, a name it shares with Dracaena, is a species of evergreen perennial flowering plant of the family Asparagaceae. It is native to tropical and southern Africa, but has become naturalized in other parts of the world. Is easy to grow as a houseplant because of its resilience, but it can be sensitive to the fluoride in tap water, which commonly gives it burnt tips. Variegated forms are the most popular. If you're looking to increase your collection of houseplants without spending any money, propagating spiderettes, spider plant babies, from an existing plant is as easy as it gets. I will show you how. You can have it in water or in soil. We will use soil today. Look closely at the spiderettes dangling from your adult plant, and you'll see little knob-like protrusions and tiny roots on the bottom of each spiderette. Spider plant propagation simply involves planting the spiderette in a pot filled with any lightweight potting mix. Be sure the pot has drainage holes in the bottom. If you want a thick, bushy spider plant, start several spider plant babies in the same pot. Remove the bottom leaves to have the roots exposed. Ribbon plant or bracket plant because of its curling leaves. Follow the same process. Water the spider plant babies as needed to keep the soil slightly moist, but never saturated. Place it in bright, indirect light. Now you have bushier plants. Repot as soon as the roots becomes compacted. Thank you for watching. See you soon.